Hi, I'm Mike with InsiteIG. I'm going to be going through the quick setup of an MCR unit, or multi-channel remote. Multi-channel remote unit is always used in conjunction with a multi-channel analyzer, or MCA unit. There's three basic topics we're going to cover today: the wired connections between these two units, the MCR's local setup, and the remote monitoring online setup. So let's get started. Now let's quickly go over the communications wiring between the two units. First, we'll start by turning the power off. Power switch is located here on the MCA unit and is located here on the MCR. The two units are connected with a 3-conductor communications cable that is customer supplied. The connections go from Modbus terminal here on the MCA to the Modbus terminal here on the MCR. The terminals are labeled X plus, X minus, and XC or XCOM, meaning X common. When wiring the connections, make sure to connect the X plus to the X plus, X minus to the X minus, and the XC is connected to the XCOM. Now let's turn the units on and start the local MCR setup. Local setup is best done using a device with Wi-Fi capability, such as a phone or tablet, along with the InsiteIG app. For this video, we will be using an Android phone and an InsiteIG app. The app can be downloaded from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store using the provided links, or it could be downloaded from the MCR webpage. To get to our webpage, go to www.insiteig.com, select the MCR text, scroll down to the bottom of the MCR page where you'll find the links. Once you have installed the app, we'll continue on with the process. With the app installed, we can now connect to the MCR's Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi will be named for the unit's MAC address. The MAC address is located on the MCR unit's PC board. It will read MAC followed by 6 characters. The Wi-Fi name will read RMC followed by those same 6 characters. Now we navigate to the Wi-Fi connection on your phone. The Wi-Fi I will be connecting to is the RMC 517E74. You will get an alert notifying you the network is without internet. This alert is expected and can be dismissed. Once connected, navigate back and select the InsiteIG app. Select the gears on the bottom corner. Once the MCR page appears, select the Setup button. Enter a unique name for the MCR unit. Then enter the correct time zone. With these two fields complete, scroll down and tap Save Device Config. After you receive the pop-up notifying you that the settings were saved, you can exit the app and set your Wi-Fi back to your usual connection. You may have noticed when you turned on your MCR unit a flashing blue LED. That's the data link LED. When it's flashing, that means it's trying to connect to the cloud. Once it stops flashing and glows solid on, that means a connection has been established. That can easily be seen through the front display window on the unit. On existing installations, that period of time is usually measured in minutes. On new installations, that period of time is going to be considerably longer, and in rare situations could actually be measured in hours. Once the LED remains on steady, it's time to set up the remote viewing. The remote setup for new users is different than that of existing users. So first we'll cover new users, and then we'll do a setup for existing users. But first I'd like to talk about administrator accounts and sites. Administrator accounts are the top tier of control for the remote viewing. You have access to all settings and data, and even setting up additional user accounts. A site is just a location where an MCR is installed. It can be a wastewater treatment plant or a field location. Each administrator account can have one or more sites, and each site can have one or more MCRs. So now let's set up a new administrator account. Creating an administrator account and adding a new MCR can be done from a phone or tablet with the InsiteIG app and from a web browser using the link connect.insiteig.com. For this section, I will be using a phone in the InsiteIG app. Now, using a phone with internet access, open the InsiteIG app and click the Connect icon. Scroll down and click Create Your Account. Fill in the fields such as name, email, and password. All fields are required. In the Site Information section, the site name should describe the plant or location the MCR will be installed in. Finish filling out the site location info, and next we go to the MCR information. Here under MAC address, we put in the 6-character MAC number from the MCR PC board. My MAC number is 517E74. Next, the serial number entry will be 24680 for all units. Now you can click Create Your Account. This completes the setup of your new account. From the My Account page, you can click View List under MCRs, then click View next to the MCR you just set up. This screen will display any InsiteIG sensors that are currently connected to your MCA and will automatically display any new InsiteIG sensors as they are added. As you can see, we currently do not have an MCA connected to this unit. If you scroll down, you will see a green dot and the word Connected under the time clock. Next, we will add an MCR to an existing administrator account. Adding a MCR to an existing administrator account can be done from a phone or tablet with the InsiteIG app and from a web browser using the link connect.insiteig.com. For this section, I will be using a web browser on a PC. An MCR can be added to an existing site, or a new site can be created and the MCR added to it. First, we will create a new site and add the MCR to it. After you have logged in, you can create a new site from the My Account page by clicking View List under Sites. Click Add New Site. Then fill out the site name and additional information and click Save when done. Then click Manage MCRs next to the site you want to add an MCR to. Now click Add New MCR. Here you will enter the 6-character MAC code on the MCR PC board. The serial number 24680 and select the site you're adding the MCR to. Select Save and your MCR is added and can be viewed as we have seen before. To add an MCR to an existing site, starting from the My Account page, click View List under MCRs. Click Add New MCR and fill in the information as we previously did and click Save. You can now view your MCR's connection status and any connected InsiteIG sensors.
Thanks for watching this MCR Quick Setup video. Additional videos will follow that will cover topics of setting up analog and digital inputs, user accounts, and viewing data. For me and everyone at InsiteIG, have a great day.